Now, while new COVID-19 cases surge in Italy's north, the island of Sardinia has earned coveted white zone status. Now, that allows for evening dining and drinking at restaurants and cafes, and the reopening after months of closure of gyms, cinemas and theatres. Well, we're going to cross straight to Rome. We're going to talk to our correspondent Seema Gupta, who joins us from there. Seema, an unlikely reopening this, would you say?
Yes, indeed. I mean, the island of Sardinia becoming the first region that's been allowed to have this new color, a white zone. That's the first one in Italy since it set up this zoning system of colors. And that on that island, essentially, there will be a curfew that will only start at 11:30. The rest of the country, the curfew's from 10 p.m. Till 5 a.m. In Sardinia, though, it only starts from 11:30. And the key move is that the restaurants will be open for dinner, something that hasn't been the case here in Italy for quite some time now. They are also going to be looking at how the cases are developing over the next week or so. And they're talking about the possibility of opening up malls as well as museums during the weekend, something that's not been allowed there or in most parts of the country, and even the possibility of gyms opening. Now, there are certain towns or areas that have tighter restrictions, but overall, the region seems to be doing better simply because the numbers appear to be going down. Mass social distancing measures still very much in place, but one has to remember that Sardinia is an island, and Italy has put in restrictions of movements between the regions, restrictions that have been extended till the 6th of April, that is after the Easter vacation. So there is little movement in and out of the island unless for work or emergency or health reasons. And so perhaps that may be one of the reasons why it's like that. Now, it's a very different picture, though, for the rest of the country, but perhaps Sardinia, sort of like the white zone, is a sign of hope.
Yeah, as you say, there seem a lot of restrictions are still in place, aren't they, especially in the north of Italy?
Yes, indeed. I mean, Lombardy and Piedmont, the regions around Milan and Turin, respectively, they've moved into the orange zone. They are now 9 regions in the country that way. And Basilicata and Molise, 2 regions, have moved into the red zone. Now, that's essentially because the infection rate is on the rise. We've seen this is because of the new variant, the British variant, which is expected to become the predominant one by mid-March. The numbers of people in the intensive care unit has also gone up, and the vaccine program simply has stalled and is not moving as fast as it should. Now, the health authorities have said very clearly that they will be looking at even tougher measures in the weeks and months to come.
Seema, thanks so much. Seema Gupta, correspondent, joining us there from Rome.